Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to fix one issue regarding your iCloud sign out. Because here option to sign out the iCloud account from iPhone is grayed out, or it says that sign out is not available due to restrictions. So in this video, we will see how to fix this. So guys, here talking about the solution, it's very simple and easy one. This option is grayed out or not available due to one minor setting or minor feature in iPhone, that is your screen time. So for that, do one thing, go to settings. Okay, in settings, scroll down and you will find the option to screen time. So guys, here whenever screen time is enabled or turned on your iPhone, that time iCloud sign out option is grayed out or disabled on your iPhone. So now do one thing, scroll down in screen time and the last one option is called turn off screen time. Tap on that, and here once you tap on turn off screen time, that time it will ask for your screen time passcode. Okay, go ahead and enter the passcode and you can disable or turn off your screen time on iPhone. Once you do that, come back, go to your profile, and here now check the sign out option available or not. So if you see here, magically or instantly iCloud sign out option is available on your iPhone. So now go ahead and sign out from your iCloud account on your iPhone. So guys, that's it. I hope it helped you. I hope it will work on your iPhone. And if yes, please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.